Want to make a public playlist on YouTube private directly from your phone? This video gets straight to the point and shows you exactly how to do it. If this video helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. First, you will need to open the YouTube app on your mobile device and make sure you are signed in to your account. Tap on the Library tab, which is located in the bottom right corner of the app, to see your content. Now, you should find the Playlists section and tap on View All to see all your curated lists. Find the specific public playlist that you want to make private. On the right of the playlist title, tap the three-dot menu icon. From the menu that appears, select the option Edit or Edit Playlist to change its settings. You will see a privacy drop-down menu, which will currently be set to Public. Tap on it to change. From the options, select Private, and then tap the checkmark or Save button to apply the change and make your playlist private. And that's how you can make a public playlist private on YouTube on your phone, controlling its visibility with ease. For more short and concise videos, subscribe to the channel and don't forget to leave a like and a comment.